Welcome to my series on free resources for creative people. Today, we're talking about free browser-based 3D modeling program, Tinkercad. Tinkercad is owned by Autodesk Fusion, which is one of the heavy hitters in the CAD and 3D modeling space. I've been using this program since about 2011 to create 3D models. Back in the day, I would use this program to create models to 3D print on my 3D printers. This was also one of the first programs I used to teach my students 3D modeling, and is still one of the programs that I always go to start my students out in learning 3D modeling. Since then though, Tinkercad has come a long way, and now you can still 3D model, but you can also learn how to code Arduino circuit boards. And you could use those in cool things like Raspberry Pi computers, arcade machines, and all kinds of cool automation. Another really cool feature for my students that I love is physics simulation. In this section of the software, you can assign physical weights and attributes to your models and run physics simulations in the browser space. If you run classes, there's an educator interface where you can organize your own classes on the back end and all of your students' files and help them in the interface. And if you're an individual user, you might use this software to get acquainted with 3D modeling, create your favorite character or board game piece, or even repair something around your house. I'm probably going to use this program to repair the little knob on my crock pot that broke. It's kind of annoying, but I don't want to buy a new one, and this would be the perfect program to do something like that in. There's step-by-step tutorials in the interface that gives you hints and everything, and there's a ton of video tutorials and resources on YouTube. So if you've ever wanted to try 3D modeling or understand how it works, give Tinkercad a try. You could create and download a file, take it to your library, and they could print it out for you.